Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes without butter. Substituting oil for butter is a simple way to achieve moist, tender cupcakes. Oil is 100% fat, while butter contains about 80% fat and 20% water, so you'll typically use slightly less oil than butter. Common choices like vegetable oil, canola oil, or even a light olive oil work wonderfully, adding moisture without a strong flavor. This method is easy and yields delicious results every time. For your butter-free cupcakes, gather standard baking ingredients: all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need eggs, your chosen oil, and a liquid such as milk or buttermilk. Begin by whisking all your dry ingredients together in one bowl. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Then, gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, mixing just until combined to avoid overworking the batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and line a muffin tin with paper liners. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with your cupcake batter. This allows for a perfect dome without overflowing. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Now for the fun part, frosting. Since we're avoiding butter, consider a delicious cream cheese frosting made with cream cheese, powdered sugar, and a splash of milk or vanilla. A simple glaze using powdered sugar and lemon juice or milk also works beautifully. For a lighter option, whipped cream is always a hit. Once frosted, get creative with sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or fresh berries to add a lovely finishing touch to your delightful cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.